The Caesarstone Whitelight Collection is inspired by the unique nature of our land. Australia, a continent of natural beauty and vibrant colours shaped by time. This has inspired our new range, highly durable and authentically handcrafted by our expert design team.
Marble is timeless, and today it's also very trendy. And now it's less about exclusivity and more about expressing nature, more about being organic. Research went into the form and composition of organic objects. We let nature guide us to a unique kind of veining found in nature.
Set your dream in stone with the Whitelight Collection from Caesarstone.